And the box it comes in is pretty small, as is the drone. Couple labels that you need to cut off. Looks like it comes with some extra blades, extra battery, and then the blade protectors. Here is the mount for a smartphone, screwdriver, and your charging cable. It looks like there's another label that we get to cut off of the remote control, and it takes 4 AA batteries. To charge the battery, you just kind of slip it in here, and let's see how easy this thing is to operate. So I just got this out of the box. I haven't read any manual. I just want to see if it is simple enough to figure out on my own. So turn on the remote control. This has been turned on. I know some drones need to be calibrated. Let's see if that's the case with this. Spin it around like this a few times. That didn't seem to make a difference. That didn't seem to make a difference either. All right, let's see. Nope, 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 nope. Oh, up, down. Ah, I think I am connected. So, no, 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 no. Whoa, there we go. Should I go up? Oof, that hit my monitor. Oh, I should not have done that. So I will turn the drone on. I have the SYMA Fly app. Alright, so we got the correct drone. Press start, and hey, I can see myself. Perfect. Let's see. That takes a picture. This is what the video quality looks like. Pretty fancy video quality, right? So you got the remote control, the phone, and the drone. Let's go fly this. You want me to make it land on the pillow? Okay, hold the pillow up above your head. Okay, here we go. Here we go, here we go.